Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning out here on the Rachel Brooks mansion. I'm going to call it a mansion, another mansion, because it's a massive home. Working on our third set of stairs today after we rolled all the trusses. There's going to be a window there. Just to get a view of what's been going on. Every truss represents 2 feet. It's about 60 feet to the back. About 35 feet from there to there. Massive garage doors, 18 footers. As you can tell, this is a very big house. I think there's supposed to be a truss right there, but I'm not sure. And if there is, that's it right there. Still a lot more trusses to go. We will be using the V-line clamp on this house. It's a tool I invented to mark angle lines on sheet goods such as plywood, sheetrock. Big back porch area, outdoor living area with glass doors so you can feel like you're outdoors even in the winter time. As you can see how massive these doors are going to be and how big the windows are. You're going to be able to enjoy the view as well as the pool that's going to be right where I'm standing, I'm sure. Like I said, this is going to be a house with 3 sets of stairs. I already built 2 of them. One set is right there going down to the basement. This whole area is basement, so just add that on the living area on this house. Going out towards the garage, another set of stairs that I framed. Going up to the 2nd floor on this side of the house. And then the 3rd set of stairs are going to be on this other side of the house. I might as well take you through the house so you can see what's going on here. Pretty sure there's going to be triple arches right here. Morning. Anyway, the other set of stairs, if I can get through all these braces, it's going to be over here. We'll be going up the set of stairs here, and then I'm going to build a landing right here, and then we're going to turn and go up to the 2nd floor. That's it. Check out my tool, the V-line clamp, available on Amazon. I greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe. I could use your help in getting the word out.